When you are driving, you may notice that your tire has punctured. Some signs that this has happened may be your steering wheel pulling to either the left or right, or vigorous vibrations. Should this happen, pull over to the side of the road on a flat and solid surface and ensure that you are not obstructing the road. If you have to stop at night, ensure that it is in a well-lit area. Next, engage the park gear and pull up your handbrake. Then you should turn on your hazard lights. Then turn off the engine. Before getting out of the car, check your surroundings to ensure it is safe to exit your vehicle. Open the boot and inside you should find your emergency kit. It may be under the base of the boot. Remove the kit and inside, you should find a warning triangle. Set up the triangle and place it about 10 meters from the back of your vehicle. Lift up the bottom of the boot and you should find a spare tire as well as a jack. Remove the jack from the boot. Sometimes the jack may not be located in the boot. In this case, check under the passenger seat. Move the seat to the front, revealing the jack underneath it. Remove the jack cover by pinching the release and unscrew it from the floor. Next, unscrew the tire from the base of the trunk. Besides the jack, these are the tools required to change your tire. First, loosen the nuts on the wheel by using a tire wrench. If the nuts are too tight to loosen by hand, you may try to use your foot to loosen it. Be careful not to hurt yourself. When loosening the nuts by hand, you should never use a pushing motion, as you may injure yourself. Always loosen the nuts with a pulling motion, as this is safer. Underneath the car, there should be a groove to insert the car jack. Align the jack with this groove and raise it to slot into the groove. Use the tool that has a hook on one end and an L shape on the other to start jacking the car. The hook side of the tool goes into the side of the jack. Elevate the jack until the tire is off the floor. Make sure to never put your body or any object under the car while doing this. Fully remove the nuts and keep them together in a place where you will not lose them. Remove the tire while being careful not to touch the disc wheels or areas around the brake, as they may be hot. Next, replace the new tire by lining up the bolts and lifting the tire into them. Make sure the tire is fully in place before putting back the nuts. Next, screw on each nut. Then, further tighten each of the nuts. At this point you do not need to fully tighten them yet, so just secure them as much as possible. When doing this, tighten the nuts in the sequence of a crisscross pattern to ensure the alignment of the wheel does not run. Next, lower the jack until the car is fully on the ground again. After that, remove the jack from underneath the car. Then, fully tighten the nuts on the wheels, again in a crisscross pattern. Finally, put away the punctured tire and keep all equipment in the respective places. When you are able, make sure to get the punctured tire repaired. If you own a Toyota and live in the Klang Valley in Malaysia and have a breakdown, you can call our mobile service van for assistance. For further inquiries, please fill the contact link in the description. You can also find us at these locations.